Hello my beautiful people, welcome to trying TikTok makeup hacks. I think I'm going to make this into a series because honestly I love trying TikTok makeup hacks. Some of them are like mind-blowing, some of them they don't really work for me, but I'm happy to try them out with you guys here on camera. So if you guys want to see this beautiful, I think this was a Valentine's Day theme makeup look, let me just show you a sneak peek. This is what we are going to do in today's video. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. So I already prepared my little hearts. I tried my best. As you can see, I had different shapes and I settled down with these two shapes, and let me just see which one I want to use, because I don't want the heart to be too big because it will cover my entire face, but also I don't want it to be too small because then what's the point, right? Okay, so I'm going to use the, oh my goodness, I think the lighting is a little bit too bright. Oh yeah, you can see now. I'm using the Daisy Marquez and BH Cosmetics. We have this beautiful coral pink. Oh my goodness, on camera it looks so dark. Also, I'm going to use some gems, but I just realized I don't have red little diamonds or gems, right? No. And also, I picked some Kaima Cosmetics glitter flakes, glitter powder. I guess I will figure out. I just want to see if I can achieve that shape, because I think I used stickers before and it's annoying because the eyeshadow goes under there and when you remove it, it's a complete mess. I've been there, I did that. Okay, so I'm going to film a TikTok at the same time. I hope you guys don't mind because I want to get my reaction for the TikTok video. So as I said, I'm going to use this beautiful red. It's called Karma. And obviously I already did my face makeup, so I hope I won't be getting any fallout. It looks like this. My problem is like how I'm gonna make it like stay in place. She didn't use any glue to stick this to her face. Like, I'm sure it's gonna move. And should I use the small one? I'm going to use the small one, okay? Because then I will have to blend the edges and it will still look bigger than the template. Okay, oh my goodness, I'm so ready to try this, but I'm afraid it's gonna be a huge mess. Anyway, I'm telling you, it's gonna be a huge mess. I can tell. Oh no. Now it moved. Jesus Christ. Can you please help me out here? Let me use my other hand. But it moved. This is so confusing. Oh, okay. Let's see. Didn't I just told you guys? I'm so disappointed right now. I mean, I know I can fix it. Oh, of course it moved. Oh, Jesus. Why? I mean, don't get me wrong, they kind of look the same, right? I mean, not too shabby. This one looks a little bit better. Okay, let's try to fix them. Honestly, I had high expectations. And don't get me wrong, this is not too bad, but I told you guys, the paper will move and the eyeshadow will get under and it won't look as precise. Okay, I'm trying to make this a little bit more pigmented. Okay. Let's do a little bit of blending with the same brush. I'm going to remove the excess eyeshadow from it and, you know, just blend a little bit the edges, because that's what she does in that little clip. I get disappointed too easy, okay, because of my high expectations, and I know I shouldn't. And I know I keep saying this in all of my videos: if you don't like it, wipe it off and do it again. And that should apply to me as well, because here I am, I'm not liking this, but I already kind of knew this won't really work, because I've been there before. So I just noticed that she did a wing liner. Her hearts are slightly bigger, and I messed up, but it's okay. It's okay, because I don't want my makeup to be identical to hers. I just, like, honestly, I just wanted to try this hack, like applying this and doing the heart. It's not bad. I'm going to go with some glitter on my lids, okay? So I don't know what to use. Should I probably... what? I think I'm going to mix them all and create my own beautiful concoction of flakes. Okay, so I made my own concoction here. It looks mesmerizing. Wow, so pretty. Camera is not focusing, what the heck. I feel like that's a little bit too much for my personal preference, but it's okay. I'm going to go with this blush from Shiglam. It's in the shade Roman Holiday, and I'm going to apply just a little bit. Okay. Ooh, I feel like that's a little bit too much. Alright, beautiful people, so this is the finished look. I honestly love it. It was super easy to create, but I kind of messed up a little bit. I don't know what's going on with my camera. She cannot focus on my face, because do you see this face? Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Camera, get it together. As I was saying, I kind of messed up, okay? I'm missing the wing liner, but I feel like without a wing liner it looks a little bit more cute, more pretty. The wing liner makes it look a little bit more badass, if I say so myself. Anyway, let me know what you think. I kind of want to use the bigger heart and maybe, oh, I'm sorry, and maybe use different colors like black. Should I do black next? Let me know down below. Wow, yes, I do have black gemstones. Ooh, that will look so emo. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what do you think. Also, if you guys see any TikTok makeup hacks on TikTok and you want me to try them out, please tag me, okay? So if you see any TikTok makeup hacks and you want me to try them out, please don't hesitate and tag me in the comments, and I will try with you guys here on camera for the first time, as we did today and many of the other times when I filmed trying TikTok makeup hacks. So that's that. That was it for today. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay, bye.